looking at you, wondering if, like, yeah.
I'm gonna give you a poker face. No emotion.
I don't know.
They're doing a very good job right now, unfortunately.
All right, guys, we are back with another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty, and we are here today in downtown Los Angeles. In honor of the Game of Thrones prequel, today I'm going to be asking the people of Los Angeles questions related to Game of Thrones. Let's see how much these people know. What are your names and where are you from?
I'm Anjali. I'm from the Bay Area.
Mike Carrillo from Downey, California.
I'm Jocelyn. I'm from Springdale, Arkansas.
Arkansas. All right. Okay. I think the first Arkansas person we've had.
Babu, I'm from Los Angeles.
I'm Jay. I'm from Phoenix, Arizona.
Feeling confident today?
Well, yeah, of course. If you are not confident, you should make it confident.
All right. So are you a fan of Game of Thrones by any chance?
I'm sorry, no, I'm not.
You've heard of it, though?
I've heard of it.
Okay. So they're doing a prequel that's coming out soon. So these questions are kind of loosely based around Game of Thrones. Number one, who gets married at the Red Wedding? Is it A, Joffrey Baratheon and Marjorie Tyrell? B, Edmure Tully and Rosalind Frey? Or C, Robb Stark and Talisa Mager?
C, Robb Stark.
C.
B is correct. B is correct. Was that just a straight up guess? You nailed it. It's actually B. I guessed Robb Stark as well because Robb Stark was murdered at this wedding. Okay. So you're right with that. He dies in the wedding, but it's actually his uncle. It's his uncle who's the one getting married. All right, number two. In the show, Queen Daenerys has 3 dragons. Their names are Drogon, Viserion, and what? Is it A, Rhaegal, B, Balerion, or C, Vhagar?
C, Vhagar.
Valerian.
C.
C. So you guys kind of jumped right on that. What was had you heard of Vhagar before or something or?
Instinct.
It sounds right.
It sounds the most dragon.
It does sound like a dragon name. I like that name. That is a badass name. That is the name of one of the dragons, but it's an older dragon that died. Her third dragon's name is Rhaegal. Our final question is a health question, sponsored by Dherbs. What ailment kills Jon Snow's mother? Is it A, ruptured appendix, B, stab wound, or C, massive hemorrhage?
Why am I surprised that Jon Snow had a mother?
Maybe A.
B.
It sounds hot. What?
I don't know. I'm like looking at you, wondering if, like, yeah.
I'm gonna give you a poker face. No emotion.
I don't know.
They're doing a very good job right now, unfortunately.
My poker face is just a laugh. It's just a smile.
The hemorrhage sounds very dramatic, but then so does the stab wound.
It sounds realistic, but it also
Like a
can.
supplement company, right?
Like a health supplement.
Exactly. So I'm like, I don't think it's a stab wound.
Hemorrhage then.
You might be A.
Use a health supplement for ruptured appendixes, though. I mean,
Yeah, I'm leaning towards C. C? Okay, C.
C is correct. Yes. Lyanna Stark dies from a hemorrhage after giving birth to Jon Snow. After a woman delivers the placenta, usually the uterus will stay contracted to put pressure on the blood vessels and stop them from bleeding. But if they aren't pressed down enough, it can cause uncontrolled bleeding. This is still the most common cause of maternal mortality in the world. It's a bummer. It's kind of a sad note to end this on.
I just played the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
Hi, I'm Anjali. I'm Jocelyn.
and I'm Jay.
And we just played the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.